Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn Geography Class 7 Chapter 1 Environment from the book Our Environment, and it is a social science. So let's start our chapter. So do you know what is environment? The things you see around yourself is environment. Like this table, this card, and more things like this book. Everything you see around us, living or non-living, is environment. Air, water, land is also environment. Everything in the world comes in environment. Any eating thing, like you eat chips or any cereals, so these comes in environment. Components of environment. Do you know what are the components of environment? So there are three types of components of the environment. First is natural environment. Second is human-made environment, and third is human environment. So first, natural environment. What comes in natural environment? Living things, trees, water, air, land, plants, and animals comes in natural environment. Now let's see what comes in human-made environment. Industries, bridges, monuments, like Taj Mahal in Agra. So these all come in human-made environment and more. Then you have human environment. You think that human-made environment and human environment are the same, but these are not same. Human environment is educational, religion, single, individual, family, economics, political, and these comes in human-made environment. Now there are two things in environment: biotic and abiotic. What is biotic environment? Biotic environment is the world of living organisms is called biotic environment. And what is abiotic environment? Abiotic environment, the world of non-living things, is abiotic environment, like this card. So our next topic is natural environment. So I've told you now natural environment. So what comes in natural environment? Again this question comes. So natural environment includes land, water, air, living things, plants and animals, etc. So do you know what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the uppermost layer and the hardest layer of all the layers of the earth, and it is made of rocks and minerals. Lithosphere, hydrosphere. So do you know what is hydrosphere? The domain of water is called hydrosphere. Means where the water is found, like sea, rivers, ponds, and many more. So this is called hydrosphere. And you know what is atmosphere? Atmosphere consists of many gases, includes air. Actually it's air only. So do you know what is ecosystems? It is a system made by the interaction of all living organisms and with physical and chemical factors of the environment. Do you know what is biosphere? Plants, animals, air, water, land, just comes together, it makes the biosphere. Means all the things, our surrounding is a biosphere because we have water to drink, air to breathe, and plants help us to breathe also. Human environment. So, what is human environment? Human environment, I told you that the same. The religion, the educational, politics, economics, individuals, family, all the things come in human environment because the humans have produced this. Do you know what is barter system? You don't know? So I will tell you. So it is a trade of exchange of the goods without money because they exchange everything. Like you want to exchange your subscribe with my videos. So you will give me subscribe and I will give you videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Do you know on which day the World Environment Day is celebrated? If you don't know, some people know and some people don't know. So this is 5 June and this is very close. On this day, we make paper bags, not use plastic bags. Because paper bags do not harm the environment and the plastic bags harm the environment. So we make paper bags and I hope you will also make paper bags on the World Environment Day. So let's come to the question answer. Question 1. What is ecosystem? I told you earlier what is ecosystem. It is the interaction of all the living organisms and the chemical and physical factors of the environment. So you can note this by pausing the video. Question 2. What do you mean by natural environment? Natural environment consists of land, water, air, and living organisms. Things given by nature is called natural environment. So let's see question 3. Which are the major components of the environment? I have told you there are 3 major components of the environment. The 3 major components of environment are human-made, natural, and human. Natural environment includes of water, land, air, and living things. Human-made environment includes industries, roads, bridges, monuments, and buildings. And human environment includes economics, educational, individual, family, and religion. So, let's see. Our 4th question. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. So, human environment, not human environment. It's human-made environment. So, the example of human-made environment are roads, industries, monuments, and bridges. And where we have lot of fun. We have lot of fun in parks. So, these are the 4 examples of human-made environment. Now, let's see question 5. What is lithosphere? I told you the uppermost and the hardest layer of the earth is called lithosphere. It consists of rocks and minerals. So, let's see our question 6. What are the 2 major components of biotic environment. The two major components of biotic environment are plants and animals. So let's see question 7. What is biosphere? The interaction of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere together make biosphere. So let's come to take the correct answer. So the first one is, which is not a natural ecosystem. So there are three options. First, land. Second, aquarium. And third, forest. So which is not a natural means it is not natural, it's human made. So it's aquarium. Aquarium, you think that it is water, it is natural, but the aquarium is made by humans. Now the second one, which is not a component of human made environment. The first option is land. The second option is religion. And the third option is community. So the land is part of natural environment, so it is land. Option 1. Now the third question, which is human made environment? Option 1, mountain. Option 2, sea. And option 3, roads. So it's option 3, roads. Because land and water are made by natural environment. Now let's see question 4. Which is a 382 environment? There are only 3 options in this question. Option A, growing plant. Option B, growing population. And option C, growing crops. Question 4. Which is a threat to environment? Threat means harm. Which is a harm to environment? So there are 3 options in this question. Option A, growing plant. Option B, growing population. And option 3, growing crops. So this is option B, because growing population is growing of pollution. Now let's come to the fourth question, and it is give reasons. There are 2 parts in it. The first part is man modifies his environment. Now give reason of it. You can pause the video and tell in comments. But now I will tell it. Man modifies his environment because of their needs. Their needs is increasing day by day. So this answer is man modifies his environment because of their needs. Now the second part. Plants and animals depend on each other. Plants and animals depend on each other because plants give oxygen to animals and food, and the animals give them manure. So this was our whole chapter. If you understand anything, so like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the notification bell.